Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legally own the PC and have access rights. Do not proceed otherwise. Make sure you can back up personal files to an external drive because changes can risk data loss. If you have a password reset disk or another administrator account, note that now. Once done, collect the Windows 7 product key and any original recovery media. Keep them nearby. These prerequisites protect your data and keep your options lawful and reversible while we proceed to legitimate recovery paths. You should try the built-in lawful routes first because they preserve settings and files. If you remember the current password, sign in and go to Control Panel, then user accounts to change it. This updates credentials cleanly. If you previously created a password reset disk, insert it and follow Windows prompts to reset the password. It's purposeful and safe. Also, if another administrator account on the machine exists, sign in there and reset the locked account. These options avoid reinstalling the OS or risking data loss. If built-in options fail, your next steps prioritize safety. Backup data via external enclosure or remove the drive for safe copying, then consider a clean reinstall with original Windows media. This removes account credentials, but also apps and settings. If you're unsure, contact the device maker, your organization's system administrator, or a certified technician to verify ownership and get guided assistance. If files are critical, stop and consult a professional data recovery service. This avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.